Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, today we are in Montefollonico, which is a frazione or a hamlet of Torrita di Siena. And really, we took us about, 15, 20 minutes to get, 15 minutes if you don't miss the turnoff like we did, to get up here from Torrita di Siena. It's a beautiful little hamlet up in the hills, a little more remote, obviously, than Torrita, but very, very pretty. Montefollonico itself dates back to about 1000 AD and then really was built up more in the 1300s and that. There's some churches here, there's some beautiful things to see, and as you can see, there's a little piece of castle behind us. It was a walled city, so let's go take a look. I mean, the views from up here are absolutely stunning. And this church, as I recall reading, dated back to around the 1300s. But look in the captions. If I'm mistaken in my memory, I'll put it in the captions. Okay, we just came in the back way around the garden of the church. It's so beautiful. Check out this gorgeous view from up here. And what a pretty garden. This place really is almost magical.